To State Live lecture. So in previous lecture, we started the first chapter, that is the similarity. Similarity is totally based on formula and theorem. The weightage of this chapter is 6 to 7 marks in your board examination. So in previous lecture, we discussed the BPT theorem, converse of BPT theorem, and we also solved practice set 1.1 and 1.2. Now in today's lecture, we'll discuss the next topic, that is the test of similarities. So test of similarities of triangles, there are three tests: SSS test, SAS test, AAA test. It is also known as AA test. So SSS test indicates side, side, side. Means two triangles are similar by side test. Second one is the SAS, that is side angle side test. Means in two triangles, if two say similar and one angle is congruent, then we say that these two triangles are similar by SAS test. And the third one is AAA, that is all three angles are congruent. So in today's lecture, we discuss these three similarity of triangles, and then we solve few example based on it. Okay, so let's start. First one is the test of similarities of triangle, AAA, or it is also called as AA test, SAS test, and S. So one by one we discuss. First one, that is the AAA or AA test. What is mean by AAA test? A test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles, then the two triangles are similar by AA test. So students, if two triangles are given, see in the figure, two triangles are given. First triangle ABC, second one is the triangle PQR. So see carefully. This, wait a minute. Yes, in this triangle ABC and PQR, if you see A is congruent to angle P, this symbol indicates that at the vertex A, the angle which is made by two lines BA and AC, that angle A is congruent to angle P. At vertex B, that is AB and BC join and make angle B, that is congruent to angle Q. Similarly, angle C is congruent to angle R. Therefore, we write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. The symbol of similarity is like this. You draw like this. And for congruent, two equal sign and then similar triangle. So we read it as congruent and this one is similar. Okay. So these two triangles are similar by AAA test. Okay. See here, first one is the A. A is similar to, congruent to angle A. Yes. Angle B. B is congruent to angle Q. And angle C is congruent to angle R. Therefore, we write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So here first test, that is the AAA. Second one is SAS test. SAS test of similarity of triangles. So first we see the condition. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion and the angle between them are congruent, two triangles are similar. So see in the figure, there are two triangles KLM and triangle RST. Okay. So here they say that if the correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in same proportion. So here we discuss corresponding pair KL by RS, that is equal to 1 by 1.5. Okay. We take KL by RS and the second one is LM by S. So LM is equal to 2 and ST is equal to 3. So cancel it, we get 1.5. So here we get the ratio of the two corresponding equal and one angle, this angle is congruent to this, and angle L is congruent to angle S. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by SAS test. So here we write in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM is congruent to, see I read here congruent, this symbol is congruent. So angle KLM is congruent to angle RST, first condition, and the ratios of their corresponding sides KL by RS is equal to LM by RST to 2 by 3. So hence we say that therefore triangle KLM is similar to triangle RS, and the test of similarity is SAS test. Okay. Now third one is the SSS test for a similar of a triangle. So for a given corresponding of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion. So here three sides are in proportion, three sides. So see here three sides. First we consider triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Okay. So in triangle PQR and XYZ, PQ by YZ, yes, PQ by YZ, QR by XY, and PR by XZ. All three sides, proportion of three sides are in proportion. We say that these two triangles are similar by SSS test. Okay, students. So here we discuss the three tests of similarity. First one is the angle test. Okay. Second one is the SAS test. And the third one is the side test. Okay. So see here, one activity is here, similarity of triangle. So see in the figure, here we consider A, B, C, P, Q, R. If you want to find the corresponding ratio, then find, let me check the AB, PQ, that is equal to 3 by 6. Okay. Then 3 ones are 3 twos are. So you get 1 by 2. Then you find BC by QR. By QR is equal to 4 by 8. Again, you get 1 by 2. Then you find third side AC by PR. So AC by PR is equal to 2 by 4. Again, you get 1 by 2. So see, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. All three sides are equal. Therefore, we say that these two triangles are similar by SSS test. Okay, clear first question. Now second question, AA test. So see here, two triangles are given. Which two triangles? First one is larger one, LMN, first triangle. And second triangle is XYZ, triangle XYZ. Okay, student. So one by one, first we see angle L is congruent to angle X. This symbols indicate that these two triangles are congruent. Now angle M is congruent to angle Y. Okay, common angle. So therefore we say that these two triangles are similar. Which two triangles? Triangle LMN similar to XYZ. So finally you can write here angle with, oh, sorry. Yes, you write here triangle LMN similar to triangle XYZ and in bracket by AA test. Okay, so इस तरीके से आपको ये लिखना है. Is it okay? Now last question, third activity, SAS test. So SAS test, you take the corresponding ratio UV by K, this one is L, and second one is Vx by Lm. Okay, these two ratios are equal, and angle V is congruent to angle N. If these three conditions satisfy, then we say that triangle UX is similar to triangle KLM by SAS, test of similarity. Okay, so here we solve one activity, then we see next example based on now example number first. So first question, in triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to degree, angle Z is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so in first triangle, you see angle Y is given 100 degree, angle Z is 30 degree. And in another triangle, LMN, M is equal to 100 degree and N is equal to 30 degree. They ask, are triangle XYZ and triangle LMN similar? If your answer is yes, then by which test? So we solve this question. First, we see the figure. In figure, angle Y is 100 degree and angle M is also 100 degree. Okay, and angle this Z is 30 degree and angle N is 30 degree. These two angles are congruent. So first we write solution. In triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, angle is equal to 100 degree, angle M is equal to 100. Therefore, is congruent to LM. Okay, first condition. Second condition, angle Z is 30 degree and angle N is 30. Therefore, Z is congruent to angle N. Therefore, for congruency, we need only two condition or three condition. Automatically, we say that this one, see here, if this one is 100 and this one is 30, so the sum of the angles of triangle is always 180. So 100 plus 30 and 130, and 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So angle X is 50. Same in the another triangle, angle X is equal to 50. So no need to find the third angle. If two angles are congruent, directly you can write this angle Y is congruent to M, Z is congruent to N. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Okay. Now you will get full marks, that is 2 marks. Now next question, next solve problem. Yes. Two triangles in figure 1.51 similar according to the information given. If yes, then by which? Okay, so your informations are given. By using the information, you find are these two triangles are similar? If they are similar, check the test of similarity or tell this, write the test of similarity. So first we see in the figure. In figure, two triangles are given. First one is triangle PMN and the second one is the triangle UVW. Okay, students, two triangles are given. So one by one, we check the step. So here ratio, sides are, we find the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, so here we find the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now see, first we write in triangle PMN and triangle U. Then we take the ratio of their corresponding sides, PM by UV. Okay, so first you write PM is equal to 6 and UV is equal to 3. So 6 ones are 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So you will get 2:1. Next one, MN by UV. So MN by VW is equal to 10 by 5. Again, 5 ones are 5, 5 2. So here you get PM by UV is equal to VW. Okay. So we get these two corresponding ratios are in proportion. And here is the symbol which indicates that angle M is congruent to angle V. So two sides are in proportion and one angle is equal or congruent. Then we say that these two triangles are similar, means which triangles? Triangle PMN similar to UVW by SAS of similarity. Okay, see, again I will explain this question. First we find the ratio PM by UV, then we find MN by VW, and then check. Is it these two ratios are in proportion? Proportion means their ratios equal hai. If their ratios are equal and the angles congruent, one angle is congruent, then we say that these two triangles are similar by SAS similarity. Okay. Now third question. Can we say that two triangles in figure 1.52 similar? Okay. According to the information given, if your answer is yes, then by which test? Okay. So here again informations are given. By using the given information, you check whether these two triangles are similar or not. To check it one by one. First we see, first we write solution. In solution we write, yes, in triangle XYZ and triangle MNP, you find their corresponding ratio, that is XY by MN. Okay, XY. So XY is 14, MN is 21. So here we cut 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 20. Get 2 by 3 first. Second, then we take another one, YZ by NP. So YZ by NP, then 20 by 30. So 0 0 get cancelled, 2 by 3. It is given that this angle Z is congruent to angle P. See in this question is very important, and concept is here. See, Z is congruent to angle P. Okay, but but here ZE and P are not included angle by this side which are in proportion. So the condition here, if angle Y is congruent to N. Why we say that this angle Y is congruent to this? Because these two sides are in proportion and we required angles are congruent. But the given is angle Z is congruent to angle P. That's why we say that Z and P are not included angles by the sides which are in proportion. If Y is congruent to angle N, then we easily say that these two triangles are similar. But the another triangle is given which are not included the proportional side. That's why we say that these two triangles cannot be similar. Okay, again I explain. See, if अगर आपको दो triangles को similar show करना है and their sides, see, if we check this side and this side, okay, so these two sides are in proportion and this angle is congruent, means it is including the two sides. This angle is including the two sides. If this angle is congruent, then we say that these two triangles are similar. But here, if this angle and this angle are given, then we cannot say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so remember this condition. Okay, जो दो साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन रहते हैं और उन पे जो एंगल आपका सबसे होता है, अगर वही एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहा तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन थर्ड इज इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इट इज एक्टिविटी क्वेश्चन which can be asked which may be asked for 2 marks. So see, in the adjoining figure, BP to AC, this is symbol of perpendicular sign. BP is perpendicular to AC, CQ is perpendicular to AB, and this indicates that A, P, C are collinear. Collinear means they lies on the same line. So APC and second one is AQB. Then prove that triangle APB, which two triangles? APB, this two triangle, and AQC are. So first we understood the question and then we solve the activity. So here in your activity, in your exam, uh, this is given. You have to fill only the boxes. Okay. So each box carry half marks, right? This may be asked for 2 marks. So in triangle APB and triangle AQC, first we consider the, it is necessary to write which two triangles are similar. So you first write these two triangles. So write like in triangle APB and triangle AQC. Okay. So in triangle APB, that is equal to this symbol perpendicular sign. Perpendicular sign, that means here is 90 degree. Okay. Now same AQC. So again AQC, it is also 90 degree. So in second box we write 90 degree. And from therefore from equation 1 and 2, APB congruent to AQC. Then second condition. Okay. So we write here PAB and QAC. So in both we write 90, 90 and PAB and QAC. This one is the common angle. So here we write in third box common angle. A is common in both the triangles. See, if you consider one, so A आ रहा है. If you consider this one, again A आ रहा है. So A is the common angle. So here we fill in first 90, second box 90, and in third box common angle. So see students, here two angles are congruent and third one is also congruent. Then we say that angle APB similar to angle AQC by AA test of similarity. Okay, so in such way we solve solve problem textbook question number 4. And now next one is the question number 5. Diagonals of a quadrant ABCD intersect in point Q. So first we draw the first we draw the quadrilateral, then we draw the diagonals, means opposite angles join, then we get a diagonal. They meet at point Q. Okay, if twice of QA is equal to QC and twice of QB is equal to QD, then you have to prove that DC is equal to twice of AB. So ये आपको prove करना है. So first we see the figure. First we write the given condition. Given is given में दिया आपको only two conditions are given. Which two condition? Twice of QA is equal to twice of QA equal to QC and twice of QB is equal to QD. You have to show that CD is half of AB. Okay. Now let's start proof. Now first we take first twice of QA is equal to QC. Then we put this 2 and QC on left side and 2 on right side. We get QA by QC is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, QC here and 2 here. So we get 1 by 2. Same, apply the same condition for second one. Twice QB is equal to QD. So QB by QD is equal to 1 by 2. So check here, this in from equation 1 and 2, 1 by 2, that means QA by QC is equal to QB by QD. So here we get the, their sides are in proportion. Okay, again I explain. Two conditions are given. From these two conditions, first we take the ratio of QA by QC is equal to 1 by 2. And from second condition, QB by QD is equal to 1 by 2. If we comparing equation 1 and 2, we get right hand side are equal. QA by QC is equal to QB by QD. Okay. Now we have to show that CD is twice of AB. So we take these two triangles. Which two triangles? QAB and CQD. Here we choose the triangle in such a way that these two sides are inside it. Okay. So we take AQB and CQD. So here we Now, consider triangle AQB and CQD. So first condition is here by QC and QB by QD, and second one AQB and CQB both are equal. Vertical opposite angles. So here we write angle AQB is congruent to angle DQC by vertical angle. So check here, two sides are in proportion and one angle is congruent. Then say that triangle AQB is similar to triangle CQD by SAS of similarity. Okay, if these two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. So see carefully, this one is very important. If two are similar, then their corresponding sides are also in proportion. So here we write, see, first we check AQ by CQ, this AQ by CQ, QB by QD, AB by CD. So here we write all three sides proportion. But AQ by CQ and QBD by QD is 1 by 2. Therefore, AB by CD is also equal to 1 by 2. If AB by CD is 1 by 2, then cross multiply it, we get twice of AB is equal to CD. Okay, so in such way we solve this question. Okay, now again see this question. By using the given condition, we write this one. Then we take these two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle. In these two triangles, two sides are in proportion and one angle is congruent. Then these two triangles are similar by SAS, test of similarity. Then we take their corresponding sides ratio, that is AQ by CQ, QB by QD, AB by CD. Okay, their sides are in proportion, two sides are equal to 1 by 2, then automatically third side is also equal to. So cross multiply it, so we get twice of AB is equal to CD, hence proof. Okay, so in this way we solve all the question from your practice set, from your solve example. Now here we discuss practice set 1.3 from your textbook. So very simple exercise. Now first question. Yes, first question. In the given figure, triangle ABC is equal to 75 degree, EDC is equal to 75 degree. State two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the test of also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper 1-to-1. So see here the word is 1-to-1 corresponding, means हमें एक से एक कौन से sides corresponding में है, कौन से angles corresponding में show करना. So see in the first question, first we see A, B, C and D, E, C. There are two triangles. Now write, given angle ABC is equal to 75 degree and EDC equal to 75 degree. See here, B is 75 and D is 75. That's why we write ABC 75 and EDC 75. Now second, now we consider these two triangles, angle ABC and EDC. First you write, now both triangles are equal, that is equal to 75, that is the given condition. Angle C is equal to angle C, that is the common angle. In both two triangles, C is the common angle. So here are equal, that is one is equal to 75 and second one is the angle common. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to EDC by which test of similarity? A test of similarity. Simple, it's very simple. First you check which two angles are given. B is given 7, B is and D is given. So we take first one. Second, C common hai and two conditions required. Take if B, D equal hai, C, C common hai, to E and A automatically equal hoga. Okay. Now second question. Are the triangles in the given figure similar? Yes. Check. If these triangles are similar, then by. So students, remember one thing, if sides are given, so you have to check their proportion, sides proportion. So first given condition, PQ is 6, PR is 10, QR 8. In another QR, MN is given, LN is given. Then one by one we check. We check PQ by LM. We check PQ by LM. So PQ by LM. So PQ by LM, that is 6 by 3. So we get 2. QR by MN, again 2, right? RP by LN, sorry, PR by LN, again 2. Means all these, yes, all these three sides are, all the three sides ratios are in proportion. Means PQ by LM is equal to QR by MN is equal to PR by LN. Then we say that these two triangles are similar by SSS test of similarity. Okay. So first test very simple. Now third one. As shown in the given figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter to the ground. If the length of the shadow of the smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Okay, so here the question is given like this. Here we draw the two triangles. This one is the height. This one is the height, ground, and this one is the height 8, and another one is 4. Okay, so yes. So here, first we take name it as ABC and PRL or LPR. Okay. Now in triangle PLR, triangle ABC, they are perpendicular to the ground. That means they makes 90 degree on the ground. So we write PRL and ACB is equal to 90 degree. And these two angles are equal, and they are equal to 90 degree. Second one is angle made by the sunlight on are congruent. Means this angle are made by the sunlight on the top. So they are congruent. Therefore, we write angle LPR equal to angle BAC. Means these angles made at the top. So these two angles are congruent. So we write second condition. First one is R equal to C, 90 degree. And second, and they made at the top. So that is equal to P equal to A, again congruent, and therefore here two conditions are given. Therefore we write triangle PLR is similar to ABC by AA. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So here we write PR by AC equal to LR by BC. So PR is given, yes, PR is 4, AC is 8, LR is 6, you have to find BC. So cross multiply it. Here we take BC is equal to X. So X cross multiply it. So here we get X is equal to 6 into 8 by 4. 4 is a 4, 4 2s are. And then 6 2s are 12. So here we get, hence the length of the shadow of the bigger pole due to sunlight is equal to, yes, 12 meter. Okay. So this question is very simple. First you check the given condition, and given condition can easily find their height of the length of the shadow of the bigger pole due to the sunlight. Okay. So first we check this two condition. R is given and C is given, that is equal to 90 degree. P and A equal and, okay, and therefore these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. Okay students, now next question, question number 4. Question number 4, in triangle In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC and PQ is perpendicular to, and PBC are collinear, AQC are collinear, then prove that CPA is similar to CQB. If AP is 7, BQ is 8, BC is given 12, and you have to find the value of AC. Okay, so by using the given, we first write the given condition and to prove. So check in the figure, AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. AP कितना दिया है 7, BQ is 8 and BC is given 12. So you have to prove the given condition one by one. Prove this condition. CPA similar to CQB. ये आपको prove करना. Now we choose these two triangles. Which two? Here we want to prove this, so we consider these two triangles, CPA and CQB. Now, CPA, and CQB, each angle is equal to 90 degree. दोनों 90 degree है, perpendicular है, तो CPA and CQB is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is common, and therefore these two triangles are similar by AA test. Then we check, we write their corresponding sides ratio or AC by BC. So here we know AP. Here we want to find the value of AC. So AC is equal to, yes, AP is 7, BC is 12, EQ is 8. So 4 2s are 4 3s are, so 21. 21 by 2 is 10.5 units. Okay, so here you write 10.5 units. So the length of the AC is 10. In such way we solve all the questions. And next question, now question number 5. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR and AR is equal to 5 times AP and AS is equal to 5 times AQ. Same question, it is like question number 2. AR is equal to 5 times AP, AS is equal to 5 times AQ. We have to show that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Okay, now one by one. First we apply the condition. First, from first condition we write AP by, yes, 1. Yes, so from first condition, yes, AR is equal times AP. So AP by AR is equal to 1 by 5. AS is equal to 5 times AQ. So AQ by AS is equal to 5. So here we want to prove that SR is 5 times PQ. So first we take these two triangles. Which two triangles? PAQ and SAR. PAQ and ARS or SAR. Now vertical opposite angle, this one. Yes, first condition. Now these two triangles are in condition. Two lines are parallel and this angle is the transversal. If lines are parallel and this one is the line that is called transversal, so this angle is congruent to this, that is called as the alternate angle. So in the given question we write QPA congruent to ARP alternate angle. Here we write the condition PQ is parallel, QS is the transversal. So you can also write it as these two lines are parallel and this one is transversal. So your angle PQA, see, PQA is equal to SRA, RSA, RAS, alternate angle. So vertical opposite angle and alternate angle, that means these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. If two triangles are similar, then we write their corresponding ratio. PQ by RS is equal to AP by AR. Yes, PQ by RS is equal to AP by AR. Okay, that is CSST means stand for corresponding corresponding sides of मतलब ये corresponding sides of a similar triangle, corresponding sides of similar triangle, and CA estimate corresponding angle of similar triangle. A stands for angle and S stands for side. So corresponding sides of similar triangle and corresponding angles. Okay, so if these are equal, but given is two ratios are equal to 1/5, automatically we write third ratio is also equal to 1/5 and then cross multiply it. So SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Okay, so in this way we solve question number 5, and next one is question number 6. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to DC and diagonal AC and BD intersect in point O. AB is given, DC is given, you have to find OD. So very simple question. First you write the given condition. Given is AB parallel DC ko, AB 20 is C is given, OB is given, yes. Then we write solution. Now, consider the two triangles. Which two triangles? The upper and lower triangle COD and BOA. Okay. Now first vertical opposite angle COD is equal to AOB. Vertical opposite angle. Same condition apply here. Two lines are parallel and one is transversal. Then we say that alternate angle. So CD is parallel to AB and BD is the transversal. So we write CO is congruent to ABO. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. Okay. Now by AA test, then we write the corresponding sides of similar triangle. CD by AB, OD by OB. Then substitute their value. CD दिया है. Yes, CD or DC is 6. And AB is given 20. OD is given. No, OD we want to find. And OB is 50. So cross multiply here. Okay. Cross multiply. OD is equal to 6 into 15 by 20. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are, and 5 4s are. 4 2s are, 2 2s are 4 and 3s are. So we get 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So your answer is 4.5 unit. Similar type of question. Okay. So simple. And next question. 7th question. Triangle quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on the side BC and line D is intersect ray AB in point T. Okay. Prove that DE is cross DE into BE is equal to CE into T. So it is proof type question. First you write the given condition. ABCD is a parallelogram and you have to prove the given condition. Now write the triangles first. Which two triangles? We consider here triangle BE, yes, BET, this one, BET, and triangle CED, this two. Okay, so first we write these two triangles. Yeah, so in these two triangles, this angle and this angle are equal, vertical opposite angle. And these two sides are parallel and this one is transversal. So this angle and this angle are equal. Means first we write BET congruent to CED, vertical opposite. Then we write BTE is equal to EDC, alternate angle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Then we write their corresponding sides are in proportion. So BE by CE, yes, ET by ED. Then cross multiply here, BE into ED, CE into ET. Okay. Now, next question. Last question. In the given figure, seg AC is, yes, seg AC and just a minute. Second last question. In the given figure, seg AC and BD intersect each other in point P and AP by CP is equal to BP by DP. So you have to show that these two triangles are similar. Again, simple question. First, you write the given condition and then you consider AP, ABP and CPD. Okay. Now, write proof. In triangle ABP and CPD, AP by CP is equal to BP by DP. Okay. And second one is APB is equal to CPD, vertical opposite angle. So students see two sides are in proportion and one angle is congruent. Then we say that these two triangles are similar by SAS test of ability. Okay. So these two triangles are similar by SAS test of similarity. And last question of practice set 1.3. In the given figure, in triangle ABC, point D on the side BC is such that angle BAC and ADC are equal. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So first you write the given and then write the two proof condition. Given is angle BAC is equal to ADC, and to prove CA square is equal to CB into. So we consider these two triangles, triangle ABC and DAC. The given apply condition, angle BAC is equal to ADC and angle C is common. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test. Then write their corresponding sides. So BC by AC, AC by DC, cross multiply here. Here we get AC into AC, AC square. So AC square is equal to BC into DC. Okay. So here we get AC into BC. Okay. Thank you, students. Yes. Student, do you have any doubts? Yes, Sania Sheikh. Unmute yourself. Ask your doubt, beta. Sania.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Do you have?
Hello, madam.
Yes, yes.
Good morning, madam.
Very good morning.
Teacher, can you explain me question number 7?
From practice at 1.3?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, wait. Okay, this one. Question number 7. Let me read the question. Quadrilateral AB diagram and point E on the side BC. So E point is on the side BC. DE intersecting ray AB at point T. Means it intersecting DE intersect. Okay. Now you have to prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. ये आपको proof करना है. So first we write the given condition. ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to prove this. So here we write. Yes. Here we take two triangles. Which two triangles? First triangle, see, BET. ये हमने एक triangle लिया, BET, and second लिया है ECD. Okay. If we consider these two triangles, so angle BET and angle CED are congruent. Vertical opposite angle. ये vertical opposite angle है. So we write here vertical opposite angle. The second condition we apply. Two lines are parallel. This one is transversal. So this angle is congruent to this. That means alternate angle. So two conditions are given. Then we write these two triangles are by AA test. Then we take their ratio. EE by CE is equal to ET by ED. And then cross multiply it. So you will get your proof. Okay, beta? Is it okay
teacher,
now?
thank you.
Okay. Yes. Next, Siddhi, Ayush,
Miss, can you repeat question number 6?
number 6. Okay. Yes, question.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, see. In the, they say that two lines are parallel. देखो दो लाइन पैरेलल दिए, that means you applied the alternate angle condition and vertical opposite angle. ट्रेपेजियम के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, ट्रेपेजियम ऐसा होता है आपका, राइट? If you take these two triangles, so this angle is congruent to this one, that means vertical opposite angle. और दो लाइन का ट्रांसवर्सल है तो ये अल्टरनेट एंगल हो जाएंगे. तो दो कंडीशन रहेगी आपके पास. फर्स्ट वन इज द वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट एंगल एंड सेकंड अल्टरनेट एंगल. That means these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then we take their corresponding CD by OAB, OD by OB. Then substitute all the given values here and you can find the unknown value. Okay, Siddhi?
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, which question?
4.
Okay, number 4. Practice set का question number 4.
हाँ.
Okay, okay. Yes, this one. Yes, Radhika. This one. Okay, now see this. In this question, perpendicular condition is given. If the one line is perpendicular, that means it makes 90-degree angle here. So first we take two triangles, CPA and another one is CQB. Okay, two triangles. This angle is 90-degree, P is 90-degree and Q is 90-degree. And second one is C is common in both the triangles. C is common. So by using these two conditions, we write CPA similar to CQB. If two triangles are similar, then we take corresponding ratios. So यहाँ पे हमने corresponding ratio लिया है AP by QB is equal to AC by BC. Then substitute the value. AC हमें AP दिया है, BC दिया है, BQ दिया है. Substitute and then find the value of AC. Okay? Okay, students?